Welcome. If you're looking to enable voice messaging for your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing group permissions has become more intuitive, making it easy for admins to allow members to send voice messages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and groups on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the group where you want to allow voice messages. Remember, you need to be an admin of the group to change these settings. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Click on it to open the group details. Here, you'll find various options and information about your group. Look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a small pencil or similar symbol, and click on it to enter the group's editing menu. Now, navigate to the Permissions section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do within the group. Scroll down until you find the Send Media option. Click on it to expand more detailed permissions. Within the Send Media settings, you'll see an option labeled Send Voice Messages. By default, this might be disabled for group members, especially in larger or more restricted groups. To enable it, simply toggle the switch or checkbox next to Send Voice Messages. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the menu. This will apply the new permission settings to your group. That's it. Members of your group can now send voice messages directly from Telegram Web on their PCs. This feature is perfect for quick updates, sharing ideas, or just making your group chat more interactive and lively. If you ever need to adjust permissions again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy seamless voice communication in your Telegram group.